Hey everyone, my name is Kylie, and this is my first semester in the Multidisciplinary Studies program here at BSU. And after talking with the advisors, I'm so glad I made the switch. I was originally in the elementary education program, and as much as I love working with children, I couldn't find myself ending up as a teacher. I had so many credits completed that I didn't know how I could use them and still finish my degree. The MDS program is different than a program like elementary education because you don't have to necessarily take specific classes that go towards one subject or one degree. You can cater the classes you take to what might interest you the most. For instance, right now I'm taking business classes as well as a globalization class, and although they do have some similarities, they're not exactly the same, but they're still helping me complete my degree. They also have options such as the Business Bridge to Career Certificate, and that will help me stand out from others after I graduate because I was able to focus more on how to run a business and all the aspects of it. I was also able to use previous classes towards the 21 upper division classes required for this program. It is also different than other degrees because most of the classes offered have in-class as well as online classes, which is really nice for working people such as myself. The MDS degree is a flexible degree suitable for any non-traditional student or traditional that that has been working on a degree for well over the 4-year plan. So I would recommend looking into it if you still are unsure of how you're going to finish school because that's where I was, and now I get to see the light at the end of the tunnel, which is really exciting for me. So thanks for listening.